old mandolin. You can tell the handle's broken. It's hard to keep track of. And yes, I just used it. I hadn't washed it yet. Okay, so this one I just ordered from Amazon. Same day delivery. I got this ordered this morning. Just got it in the mail. Package. It's okay, a little damage, but not too bad. And here's how it came. So my son likes to cook a lot, so this will keep him from, you know, it's a little more safer. Because looks like it's packaged pretty good. It wasn't taped shut, but it doesn't look like, I mean, if it was returned, it looks like they returned everything. So there's how to make French fries, bigger French fries. Looks like it all goes in there very well. What I really wanted it for was the slicing, and with this little box, it will keep all our slices together. But yeah, it looks like it came with all the parts. And like I said, I ordered it this morning and got it today. Yeah, I think I'm okay with this. Sorry, I have no way to hold this. But yeah, looks pretty good.
This is the Mueller Pro Series vegetable chopper, and I've been using it for almost 2 years. This gadget has saved me so much time in my food prep process, but there are some things that I did wish I knew before buying. To use this chopper, it's quite simple, super sharp, and very easy to put together. Place the chopper on top, lock it in, then choose the size of dicing, and then snap it in, lock it, and you're ready to dice away. Once you're done, you can easily rinse this whole device and just put it in the dishwasher. The whole device is BPA free and dishwasher safe. The bottom even has a non-slip base. I use this chopper to dice potatoes, dice carrots, celery, and any other vegetables that I need to chop. It's perfect for making soup. The container offers a 4-cup base for all your veggies, and the blade features ultra sharp German 420 grade hardened stainless steel. Last, Mueller offers a lifetime warranty for the whole device in the event that you're not happy. There are many types of choppers out there, but the Mueller Pro Series Veggie Chopper is the one that I recommend. It has a lifetime warranty and is very easy to use.
This is the Mueller Pro Series 2 Mandolin. Does this save time? So instead of doing 10 slices, you just push it down once. It's all sliced. The small dicer saves even more time. There are 11 blades on each side, so 22 cuts. You still need to peel your potatoes and slice them up to the width of these grates. Put them on, one quick fast motion. There you go, all diced. Let's try that again. And with a section of cucumber. Carrot here. Trying it with a tomato. If you push straight, wow, slices pretty well. Fine slicer. To clean the dicer pusher, you use this little comb thing. Let me try the julienne here. Yep, here we go. Let's do the fine julienne. I like this one better. It's like they put this kind in sandwiches. Now let's try the grater. Smells so gingery. Nicely done. Check out the spiralizer. You cut off the ends of the cucumber, put it in the center, and start turning. 1, 2, 3. Spiralize. Turn it to noodles. 1, 2, 3. Noodle-like. Linguine mode. Noodles in spaghetti mode. I like my noodles a bit thinner. If you're towards the end, you want to put the end piece on and then keep on doing your thing. and you won't cut your fingers. There's a little bit left in here. You gotta remove that. I've got the end piece of a carrot attached to the end. Do the rest of it. Towards the end, you can push down on this. Okay, let's see what's left. Then you just toss this piece away. Bunch of carrots, all julienne. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.